Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Staying warm. It is a cold one. That is for sure. Now we have here. Ooh. We got another box. Hevumyi. I have no idea. Let's see if you guys can tell what it is. Luxury comfort sets. King size. There we go. Oops. It's like Hevumyi? Hevumyi? I have no idea. Check them out though. Link's going to be down below. I'm going to set this up. You know. And then, see how it looks. And like I said, Valentine's Day is coming up. You never know. Oh boy. It's like Christmas all over again. Got some stuff coming out of here. Ooh. This is nice how it's set up. Really nice. Very classy. Comfort. You get one comforter, 2 pillowcases, 2 pillow sham, flat sheet, fitted sheet, bed skirt, king size. Bam. And I do believe if you want to buy extra pillowcases, they'll have them available. So, but you know, once you click the link, you'll see. I think this is like a beige. Kind of looks white, but I think it's beige. Unless my eyes are bad, which could be getting to that age now. And it's beige. I mean, I got a lot of... Okay, there we go. A lot of light directing on it. Alright, so I'm going to figure this out. And then next, we'll be on the bed. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here we go. We got it all set up now. Oh, there's my dog. Looks really nice. Yeah, it's kind of like a beige, kind of like a sand. I would say more like. Here we go. You have the 3 pillowcases. I didn't do the top sheet. Never used it anyway, so. But some people do. Look really nice. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link down below. Have a good night.